So if needed, we will take.
Myntri Rangbah kajala Conrad ke Sangma mintagasni ulale Jngoh ya ka Living Root Bridge Experience Center wa lingkat ka bahap hapo ka Pinursla Subdivision East KHASI Hills. Ya ka ni ka center late ha ka jinglot ka balong nyopo klur tingka bakentum ya ka Living Root Bridges Experience Center bat ka waken residential music retreat. Kum shibenta jang ka project kashnong mau kernot rang thaliang bat minring kinsaroy bat yo pinyaso kum ka jat ya kum ka jaka ya kejat bat ki way bat ki jingdan kam hakakam Jngoh kai perthai ansate Myntri Rangbah Conrad ke Sangma ula ong baya ka jaka la jet namar ka jingdan jongki jingking thiet ding ki bon bha hakathan wa lengkhat ula pentep ru baka waken residential music retreat kan penla yakinongwan Jngoh kai bans ngothu khamha ya ka jingru spa jongka jingya pair haka culture jong KHASI.
And the reason why we have selected this area is because the Living Root Bridge density is very, very high, one of the highest in the entire region and the state. And through this particular Living Root Bridge Experience Center, the tourists who come in will be able to understand the entire culture, the history, and the techniques, and the different locations where these Living Root bridges are. And it will completely make the overall experience for the tourist even more special.
Hagabayade bakajikan at ha Bangladesh